Hi, my name is Steve Sturm. I've been the director of maintenance since 1992. I wanted to try to teach my grandson and take him in and show him just how simple it can be to save some money.
Hi, my name is Sky Nace. I am 16 years old. I do not know how to take care of a house, so today my grandpa will be showing me.
We disconnect the electricity. This guide, what I want to show you is how to clean the top and the bottom of the dryer vent. So first you go ahead and take out the lint from the lint trap. It catches most everything, but sometimes there's a little lint that drops down inside that you have to pull out with a brush. Then you replace the dryer vent. Then you go to the back of the dryer and you have to take the dryer vent apart in the back to get to it. There's a screw back here on a collar that needs to be loosened, and I'll let you do that. Okay. We'd loosen the piece that goes directly onto the back of the dryer. Now you look down inside there and you want to make sure that it's clear and there's not large clumps of lint still inside. If there is, then you want to reach in and pull some of it out. Okay. Once that's all done, then we go ahead and start putting things back together again. Put the collar back on the back, and then we'll move the dryer back over close to the vent, hook it up to the elbow. You can work on that, get those together. Okay.
Why is it important to keep these clean?
Well, if you don't keep it clean, well, then the lint can build up, and the heat from your dryer can get so hot that it can actually start a fire.
Thanks for watching. We've got more things to teach him, and maybe you can watch and learn some stuff. You can learn too.
Please like and subscribe below. Have a nice day.